Every 3 weeks, and I'm not exaggerating, I get new hardware and new software in these babies. When I'm an octogenarian, I will walk with less energy than you, assuming you have biological limbs, and my balance will be far superior, even that to an 18-year-old. And I'll be supporting these Porsche-like machines into my parties. How cool is that? Anyone want to see my bionic limbs? So what you see here is a powered foot ankle. The ankle joint is powered. There's 5 computers inside, microprocessors, and about 12 sensors. So a lot of people, when you push their buttons, they get angry. With me, my legs just fall off. They just pop that off, pop it on. So again, what we've done is we've put forth a mathematical description of my biological missing body part. So we've modeled the muscles and tendons and reflexes. So when I walk slowly, my ankles are actually taking a little energy out for me, like a brake. And as I speed up, they become spring-like, just like the human ankle. And when I go really fast, and you can hear the motor, I get lots of work and power. And then I can just decide to run. It's all reflexive. It's all due to this biological modeling. The faster I go, the greater is the work and power. If I walk up a hill, I get more work and power. If I walk down, it automatically takes energy out for me as a brake, without the robot actually explicitly detecting those train variations.